Hello, this is the Magic Man from Michigan reporting on the 2022 blizzard. You can see right here I've already shoveled off my sidewalk. We're going to go out here and check on these blizzard conditions. We were supposed to have high drifts and big snow. I've got lots of snow, lots of big drifts to show you here today. High winds. You can hear it rolling, it's just ripping. Hear the sound of the pine tree. There's the cars and the truck. Bobcat will be fired up here shortly. This is all flat ground in here. Blizzard of 2022. There we go. We got 3 inches. If you can see that, I'm going to take you over here and show you these enormous drifts we've got. You can see a few along there. Look pretty bad, don't they? We got one over here that's just huge. I mean, this is blizzard conditions out here, people. Stay in your houses. I'm warning you right now, don't go anywhere. This is horrible. Here's the biggest drift I could find. We've got under 7 inches on this drift, this enormous drift. We can go around front here and look at the wind knocking down all my pine trees. You know, it's 60 miles an hour out here, you know, so we're losing a lot of trees. Let's see what's happening out here. Nope. All the trees are intact. Blizzard of 2022. We got 8 below and no snow. What does the weather guy have to say about that? This is live footage right here. Here's another enormous drift. 7 inches. I took a photo last night of my table, which is there, but the photo would be of this table. It's exactly the same depth. Yeah, about 3 inches. So we'll give you an update on this blizzard later this afternoon and see if we've got any changes. Once again, I warn everybody, do not go outside. Do not travel. This is a big storm, and we've got a lot of snow out here and big drifts drifting. It's just treacherous. So stay in, stay warm.